subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Thanks.
What's up, YouTube? This is an open challenge because I believe that I have just picked up the world's cleanest 8th gen Corolla / Chevy Prizm, and I'm just going to give you a quick look at it. 70,000 miles, actually 68,000 miles. This is an open challenge because I'm making the claim right now that I have the cleanest 8th gen Corolla 1.8 liter 1ZZFE / Chevy Prizm on planet Earth. Here's a quick look.
Oh yeah, look at this.
68,000 original miles. Just got done cleaning up the engine bay. Don't mind the windshield wiper leak on the tank. Original paint.
Original everything.
If this video gets views, I'll do another full walk around. Look at that paint. Look at that paint. Listen to this. Look at this interior.
Clean as a whistle.
Put the seat covers on it. It's pretty much immaculate. So that's a little teaser. I challenge anyone with a cleaner 8th gen Corolla. The fight is on. Look at that. Look at it.
Look at it.
Wait till you see it in the light, and after I wax it, you're gonna cry yourself to sleep every night. Look at this paint. Well, that's my casting call. Challenge accepted.
Subscribe.